Hey guys, Cece here with a brand new video, and today's video is very exciting because it is the first video that I am shooting in my brand new beauty space in our brand new home. So as you guys could probably tell, I have been very scarce on YouTube, and that is just because I've been moving and things have just been so stressful lately. So now it's finally calmed down. We're in our house. I have my beauty room set up, not completely set up, but I mean it's set up enough where I can film. So I really miss you guys. I miss interacting with you on a regular normal basis. So hopefully this is the start of a normal schedule once again. If you are new, thank you so much for joining me. My absences are not something that I do on a regular basis, but like I said, it's just been a lot going on lately, so that is, yeah, that's why. So if you guys haven't already seen by the title of this video, I have some very exciting things to share with you guys today because I got some brand new products from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I went to Ulta and I saw that they had some new stuff in. So they have the Amrezy highlighter. If you don't know her, she's like a beauty influencer on Instagram. I don't think she has a YouTube page, but I follow her on Instagram. She's absolutely gorgeous. And I also got Anastasia's new powder highlighters. And then I picked up their new Soft Glam palette. So all this stuff is still in the packaging. I haven't swatched it or anything like that. So I am excited to put it on my face and see how it looks. And I figured since I was using all brand new Anastasia products that I might as well do the entire face Anastasia Beverly Hills. I've already did my brows for the sake of time, but I did use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and then I have some more Anastasia products here. So we're just gonna do a full face and we're gonna see how all these products work. First thing we're gonna do is prime our eyelids. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Concealer in 4.0, and it just looks like that. I'm just gonna put that on my eyelids to make sure that the eyeshadows stay in place. Oh, and if you guys haven't noticed, I'm trying something different today with my hair. Let me know what you guys think. I don't know if I really like it. I really don't do platinum blonde like this, but I don't know. Let me know what y'all think. Then you want to make sure you set that concealer just to make sure you don't get any creasing. So I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. I'm just going to use this shade over here and just set the concealer in place. This step also helps you make sure that your eyeshadows don't stick. Not don't stick, don't skip. That's what I meant to say. So when you're blending your eyeshadows, this makes sure that they don't skip and you get a flawless blend. All right, so now let's move to the star of the show, the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. That's how it looks. Ooh, you guys. Oh, the brush fell out. Look at that though. Oh my God. Is that not beautiful? Whoa. So right off the bat, I noticed some shades that were in previous Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes. I noticed some shades. So Sienna was in a previous palette, Burnt Orange, Cypress Umber, Orange Soda. So there's 4 shades off the bat, and I think there's more. I believe Tempura was in a palette as well. So some of these are repeat shades. Looks like about half of them are repeat shades. So I mean, they're good in a palette together, but I don't know. I don't know if I like that or not. So I'm gonna take Burnt Orange and Orange Soda, which are these 2 like orangey shades right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and put those in my crease. Okay, so there's definitely some fallout in here. Not a whole lot, but there's some. more of a tapered brush, and I'm going to take the shade Sienna right here, and I'm just going to add that to my outer V and then drag it a little bit into my crease. About Anastasia Beverly Hills' eyeshadows is that they're super pigmented and the blendability is crazy. Like, they blend out really, really well. You can really easily get your desired effect with their eyeshadows. That is one of the things that I love about the eyeshadows, which is why I keep buying all of their palettes when I know I don't need them. So now I'm going to take an even denser and even smaller brush, and I'm going to take this deeper shade Cypress Umber right here, and I'm going to add that to, again, to my outer V. And one of the reasons I like to layer like colors is because it gives you a soft transition effect. You don't just go from like light to deep in one fall swoop. It gives you a nice soft transition effect. It gives your eyes a little bit of depth and just makes the look a little more dimensional. Looks a little more than one-dimensional, I should say. So now we're just blending those colors out to make sure that they all give the soft effect and none of the colors are really harsh on the eyes. For the lid shade, I'm going to take Glistening here at the top. It's just like a really nice soft gold. I'm going to take that shade and add that to my lids. Over how soft these shadows are, you guys. They're super soft. Line the eyes using the Inglot gel liner. This has been my favorite gel liner ever since I've tried it. It's just so nice and black. So I'm just gonna line my eyes using that, and then I'm gonna pop on these Pure Cosmetics Pro eyelashes so they look like that, and then I'll be right back to start the face. Alright, so I am back. Let's go ahead and get started on this face. First things first, we're going to prime our face using the Makeup Forever Step 1 Primer. Now this is the smoothing primer. I usually use the black one, which is the mattifying primer, but I can't find it right now, so I'm just going to use the smoothing one. And this one actually does still mattify my face a little. So for foundation, I told you guys we were going all ABH. So I have the Anastasia Stick Foundation in Amber and then also in Chestnut, and I like to mix these two, and I just think it gives my face a lot of good dimension. So I put Amber like in the middle of my face. And then I go ahead and add Chestnut to the perimeter. And then I'll take my beauty blender and just blend the two together. I'm just using something that works because Anastasia does not have a liquid concealer like this. So this is the Shape Tape Concealer by Tarte, Y'all know I'm still a little upset with Tarte for their foundation fiasco, but this concealer is good and it works, so I'm just gonna use it. Let's set that concealer using the Anastasia contour kit. I'm just gonna go in with the banana shade in the middle and set that concealer. So let's get into one of the other new products that I had from Anastasia. This is the powder bronzer. They're brand new bronzers, and I got the shade Cappuccino. I believe this is the deepest shade, so they can do a little better with the shade range, but they did have, like, this shade is pretty deep. Obviously, there are still women who are just as deep, if not deeper than this, so they can do a little better with the shade range, but I was okay with it, I guess. So I picked that up. I believe they only have 6 shades of this bronzer, so there's a lot of room for expansion in there. The bronzer is also very red, which I can tell off of first tap on my brush, so I probably wouldn't contour with this, just bronze up and warm the face. It's a good color. It's definitely a good color. I mean, it does warm up my face quite well. Like I said, I would never contour with this, but just to bronze, it's a really, really nice color. I like it. I like it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and set my entire face with powder. I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Naked Skin Ultra Definition Powder Foundation in medium dark. Totally forgot to set my face, and y'all know my oily butt need to set my face. So I'm just gonna take a light layer of that and just set the foundation. I was gonna contour, but I think I like my face just like this for now. So I'm gonna leave it like this and not contour, but we're gonna go ahead and use blush, and I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Gradient Blush Kit, and I think I'm gonna use the shade Vegas right here. Whoa, that's a lot of color. Alright, so before we move on to the highlighter, which I'm so excited about, let's go ahead and finish up the eyes. So I'm just going to line my lower lash line with this L'Oreal eyeliner. Then I'm going to take the Soft Glam palette once again, and I'm going to take Cypress Umber right here, and I'm just going to add that to the lower lash line. Take a mixture of Rustic and Sienna, and I'm going to also add those to the lower lash line. Now it's time for the highlighter. I've been so excited to try this ever since I saw she was coming out with it, and you know what, I have so many highlighters. I was like, I really want to get that, but I just don't want to buy another highlighter. So I wasn't going to buy it until I went into the store and I saw this baby sitting out, and I was like, of course I have to buy it. Of course I have to buy it. So I was placing an online order at Ulta anyway, so I went ahead and just put this on my list, and you guys, oh my God. Oh, just look at it. First, I'm going to take a little small brush and put some on the inner corner of my eyelids. Oh, yes. Look how much of a difference that made. Now for the real test. That highlighter was beautiful. Well, is beautiful. Now let's go on with the lip color. I know I said I was using all Anastasia products, but this is actually, I'm gonna go on with the Fenty lip paint, the Stunna lip paint. I just wanted a red lip with this hair, so I'm gonna use the Janta Blue lip liner pencil in rich red, and then I'm gonna use the Stunna lip paint on top. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Final thoughts of all the products that I tried, love them all. So for the Soft Glam palette, I feel like the name actually is perfect for the palette because it's definitely a soft glam. You can also do some deeper, darker looks when you incorporate these shades down here. But this sultry shade, I'm gonna have to do a look with this shade because it's so beautiful. But I didn't touch it. I just kind of touched the softer shades, and I don't know, I don't feel like it's soft, but I made a look in the middle. So I definitely am in love with this palette. You will see me use this palette more times on my channel, I promise you. I think you guys already can tell how I feel about the Amrezy highlighter. I think it is so beautiful, very pigmented. She is always like highlighted for the gods, okay? So I think she just gave us a piece of her world with this highlighter. And just look at the cute little embossment on it. I mean, the highlighter is just so beautiful. They put so much attention to detail with this product, so I love that. And then moving into the bronzer, again, love this. I feel like it was just the perfect bronze. I would not contour with it. I can't stress that enough because it is extremely red. However, it looks great on the skin as a bronzer. And I think this color was actually really perfect for my skin tone. For bronzing, it's what I like. You can still be darker and wear this color, but this is the type of shade that I like and that I go for in a bronzer. So I love this. It reminds me a lot of the Bobbi Brown bronzing powder in Deep 4. It reminds me a lot of that, the color does. So yeah, you guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you recreate this look, don't forget to tag me on social media, my Instagram, my Snapchat, Facebook fan page, any of that stuff. All of the links are down below. Follow me there if you are not. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not. Join the family. Welcome to all the new subscribers, and to all of my OGs. Y'all know I love y'all. And if you want to keep up with me in between uploads over here, my family vlog channel is always listed down below as well. Make sure you go ahead over there and subscribe. You can see myself, my husband, my family, all the craziness that's going on. Make sure you head on over there. So that's it. That's all I have for you guys. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye, guys.